MUX facelift, punta lang tayo sa showroom. Dito sa Isuzu San Fernando, Pampanga. 2025 Isuzu MUX LSE 4x2 automatic. Yung price, 2,320,000 pesos. Sa opinion ko lang, maganda yung design ng front fascia. Mas aggressive look compare sa previous model. Bago na rin yung headlamps, dynamic blade headlight, LED fog light, may functional air curtain for aerodynamics, may front camera for 360 view, may front skid plate or bash plate na plastic, pero may under engine cover naman na metal. Basic lang yung roof antenna, pero yung RS variant sa ibang bansa, naka shark fin. Nag-upgrade din yung ADAS, lalo na yung smart duo camera. Mas wide na yung camera angle. 20-inch alloy wheels. Mas okay yung design nito compare sa previous model. Naka-disc brake sa front and rear wheels. Body color yung side mirror cover. May camera for 360 view. Equipped ng keyless or smart entry button. Check natin yung interior. Mataas din yung ground clearance. Okay naman yung size ng side stepboard. Hindi naman mahirap tapakan. Black leather seats. Naka-plastic cover lang, pero may pagka-bucket seat yung design. 8-way power adjust sa driver. Manual naman sa front passenger. Sa door panel, hard plastic. Padded leather naman sa armrest. Power window switch, pero driver window lang yung automatic. Leather wrap steering wheel. Hindi ko lang sure kung electronic or naka-hydraulic power steering pa rin to. Tilt and telescopic yung steering column. Analog yung ibang gauge with 7-inch multi-information display. Push start ignition. May cup holder sa baba ng AC vent. May extra storage din dito sa baba. Pagdating sa visibility, okay naman. Mataas yung ride height. Kitang-kita yung hood. Yung dashboard, hard plastic. Hindi rin sobrang kapal ng A-pillar, kaya less blind spot. Equipped na to ng blind spot detection warning. 10.1-inch infotainment screen. Wala nga lang volume knob, pero may capacitive touch control naman. Dual zone climate control. Maganda yung quality ng toggle switch. Solid and premium yung feel. Wala ring wobble. May USB-A, USB-C port at 12-volt socket. Hindi ko na pinilit. Medyo mahirap lang buksan yung cover. May wireless charger. 6-speed automatic transmission with sequential shift. Traction control. Downhill assist control. Medyo madami lang yung blank switches. Electronic parking brake. Decent size naman yung center console storage. May vanity mirror with light yung sun visor. Same sa front passenger. Hindi nga lang dampen yung glove box. Iset ko lang yung driver seat sa driving position ko. Check natin yung second row. For reference lang, 5'7 yung height ko. Sa door panel, hard plastic. Padded leather naman sa armrest. Power window switch na hindi automatic. May grab handle sa B-pillar. Black leather seats. Nakaset na to sa driving position ko. Yung legroom, maluwag na rin yung knee room. Yung foot space, makakapag-stretch ka pa rin. May hook din dito sa front seat. Hindi flat yung floor, pero hindi naman sobrang taas ng hump, kaya comfortable pa rin yung seating position sa middle seat. Okay lang yung headroom, nasa 3 to 4 inches pa yung space. Hindi rin problema yung seating position, kasi reclining seat naman to. May overhead AC vent. Fan speed control, 2 USB-C port. Check natin yung third row. Malaki na rin yung opening. I-try ko lang kung mahirap bang pumasok. Fix lang tong second row. Hindi ko naman sinagad yung pagka-recline. Yung legroom, may konting space pa naman para sa knee room. Yung foot space, makakapag-stretch ka pa rin ng konti. May hump lang dito sa side, pero hindi naman affected yung seating position. Comfortable na rin yung third row para sa size ko. May cup holder and storage. Yung headroom, nasa 2 to 3 inches pa yung space. Reclining din tong third row, kaya hindi upright or 90 degrees yung seating position. Na-update din yung rear end. Gusto ko tong bagong design ng taillight, lalo na yung pinaka-housing niya. Para na rin siyang smoke taillight. May gloss black plastic trim dito na parang continuous yung design ng taillight. Pero hindi siya light bar. Okay na rin, slick naman tignan. May reverse camera, parking sensor, may update din dito. Hindi lang siya nag-a-alarm, may kasama na ring brake assist. Equipped na rin to ng power liftgate. Ganito yung cargo space pag naka-fold up yung third row. Ganyan naman yung space pag naka-fold down. May underfloor storage. May 12-volt socket at cabin light. Meron din 4 na tie-down hook. Para sa akin, sakto lang yung bilis ng pag-close ng tailgate. Check natin yung spare. Naka-steel rims. Pagdating sa suspension, 5-link coil spring with stabilizer bar. Hindi ko lang sure kung may available na for test drive. Yung engine, ito pa rin yung 3-liter turbocharged diesel engine. Ito yung maganda sa Isuzu. Hindi pa rin siya nag-downsize ng engine displacement. Except dun sa base model na 1.9 liter. Palike na lang and subscribe. Paalam.